Let's also apply a few configurations related to scroll bars. In fact, let's just hide them. Let's add the following settings to do so. The scroll bar horizontal and scroll bar vertical. Both will be hidden. There is also slightly visible vertical border at the place where vertical scroll bar was before. Let's hide it as well by using overview ruler border setting. Set it to false. Also, there is a little thin line at the very right side of the editor, and that one is always following our current cursor position in the file. I'm not going to keep that one, so by applying hide cursor in overview ruler setting, we can hide it as well. And by the way, in that same area where vertical scroll bar was before, we sometimes will get some indicators that actually show us where warnings or errors are in the file. But we can always easily check whether there are some errors or warnings in the particular file by using keyboard shortcut. I'm using shortcuts to go to the next error or warning and to go to the previous one. So there is one more quick way to navigate between errors and warnings in the file. And I usually tend to keep the interface clear, so visual indication is not that important for me in this case. Let me hide those indicators. And the way we can hide all those visual indicators at the very right side of the editor will be to just override their colors and basically make all of them transparent. So I'm going to go back to this color customization object with color overrides and paste the following chunk of code, which is going to make all those indicators invisible. As always, the link to the repository with this configuration file will be in the video description. So now all those indicators are hidden, but I can still use keyboard shortcuts to navigate between errors, if any. And plus we have an additional indicator next to the file title, which shows how many errors the current file has. Alright, that's about it for this lesson. Let's keep going with customization in the next one.